Good morning and welcome to my kitchen. Now, it has been a super busy week in the kitchen this week, so we haven't made a program this week, but I did find an amazing recipe that me and the kids made a couple of weeks ago, so I thought I would put this into our video today. I've also got the most amazing chicken Kiev pie. Yes, you heard it right, chicken Kiev pie. It is absolutely delicious and I cannot wait to share it with you. Let's make some energy bars because you always need energy, don't you? Yeah. Right, so it's a very simple energy recipe bar this, and I've tried to create it lower in fat, high in energy, lower in sugar, so it's not like bonkers full of sugar like normal flapjack would. It's got good slow release. It's perfect if you're going out for the day or if you're fueling some activity or whatever that might be. So, do you want to get the mixing bowl there, Poppy?
Big one?
Yeah, and then Thomas, can you reach that soft brown sugar up there in that jar? No? Keep going, keep going, keep going, yes. Can you reach that? Perfect, right. Pops, what I've got for you, get those 2 sweet potatoes. Okay, now, Carlos, can you just cut to these sweet potatoes on the board so you can see them? Yeah, you see those all right? So these have just basically been in the oven for an hour. They've gone really soft and squidgy. All right, so they're basically a jacket potato. And Pops, if you could just peel them out of the skin and put them into that mixing bowl, that'd be perfect. Now, Thomas, I need you to peel me both those bananas, please, if you could. So we're going to sweeten this up naturally with sweet potato and banana. So it's full of natural sugar, and it's just really, can you not get into them? Oh, you're not a total warrior, are you? Come on, son. Oh.
I can do it.
Right, Thomas, if you get that knife then, bring that knife over here, and then you're going to cut this banana up for me into little slices. So, do you remember how we do it? So you hold a banana like that, curl your hand up like that, and we're just going to cut like that. Alright, nice and steady. That'll do. And then put that knife down and that banana can go into there. Poppy, what you need to do is get a fork, or in fact, you could get a potato masher would be better, wouldn't it? In this drawer here. Once Thomas is done, you should move along, son. Yeah, we're going to do that one as well. Can you find a potato masher in there? There's one. Alright, so we'll have that in a minute. Just wait for Thomas to cut the rest. So hold it with your knuckles like that. So like curl your hand up like that. Yeah? Alright. That's it. Keep your eyes on the prize.
Bit thicker.
He's alright. He's doing good. Alright, move your hand back. That's it. Do you know why we tuck your hands in like that?
Yeah, so it doesn't get cut.
Exactly, so you don't cut. Curl your thumb in as well. That's it. Keep going. Nice and steady. Perfect. There we go. Right, that will do. Right, Thomas, those into there. That was the stressful bit of the relationship, the recipe there. Always a little bit of a tense moment, but these two are very used to using knives because we've always taught them to do it. They like being in the kitchen, and I think giving them stuff to make is a really good way to get their confidence going. Right, you can take that chopping board and put it over there, Tom Bomb. You don't need that. Right, so Pops, can you give it a really good mash? Alright, that's it, good. Right, Thomas, what I need you to do is I need you to weigh me out 60 grams of sugar. So I've got these scales here. Alright, and you can weigh straight onto that because it's got a little tray. Alright, so can you do me 60 grams? It's probably going to be about 3 good spoonfuls, but it depends how big your spoons are. You alright, can you manage? Do you want me to do some?
I can do it.
You can do it. Right, I'm just going to get you a lemon, which is over here. What do you want, guys? Lemon or orange?
Orange.
Orange, let's go. Yeah, good call. Let's go orange. Right. Have we got 60 grams?
I'll cut the orange.
That'll do, Thomas.
In a minute.
Yeah. Well, we're
Oh.
not cutting the orange. We're going to use the zest.
Exactly like the.
Yeah. So, can I just show you that? Can you cut to that, Carlos? You see that all right? Yeah. Yeah? So you can see that texture. It's not completely combined with the banana.
Looks like mac and cheese.
Well, yeah. But it's the sweet potato and it's the banana. So, Thomas, can you put the sugar in there for me, please? Yeah? Perfect. Right, let me just get in here, Tom. Done with those scales for now.
Zester.
So, can you zest the orange into there? And then you need the eggs, Thomas. We need 5 eggs cracking into there.
I want to crack it.
All right. Well, you have to let your brother do something.
Do you want to do this?
Do you want me to do this and you two do the eggs?
Yeah.
All right. So, we're just going to use a plane which gets all the orange zest
I'll
off
do 2.
really easily.
5 eggs.
So, all you want to do is zest off the orange bit. You want to leave the white. So, as soon as you see any white, stop zesting, because that's quite bitter, and what we want is the fragrance. And you get the fragrance from the zest. I know it smells amazing. Smell
I don't like doing it because you might get your knuckles.
that. Yeah, but it smells good, doesn't it?
How many eggs?
Right, 5 eggs. So you got 2 each plus mine. So it doesn't make any arguments. There we go. So 2 each.
I'm trying to do what you do.
There? There we go. Got one more. Do you want me to show you how to do one-handed? So you got to crack it on the side and then you open it up. Yeah? See if you can do it. Bit more. There. Oh, not bad, not bad. Right, Thomas, you do 2 hands because you're only a bit younger.
Shell.
You do 2 hands.
Just wreck the life.
Okay? So we're actually using the eggs as a binder rather than golden syrup in this recipe. So as I said, this recipe for flapjack is not full of unrefined sugars that are going to make you just have a massive hit of sugar and then crash. This is all slow release. Poppy Sidwell.
Yes.
What is that?
A piece of shit.
Put those in the bin.
We've got 2 eggs left in there.
All right, well, just move them across, out of the way. So, and then we've just got the tiniest little bit of dark brown sugar in there. So what we're now going to do, guys, now we've got those fully incorporated, is
I thought there was 0 sugar.
oats in there. No. In go the oats. So we've got, let me just check, 260 grams of oats, I think. 250 oats. And then we're going to add some walnuts. So put your hand there, Thomas. We're going to do a handful of, a bit further in. Put them together, 2 hands. That's it. There. Walnuts. Yeah. So we've got a mixture here of pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, cranberries, cherries and blueberries. So all really, really delicious flavours. And then Thomas, do you want to get the chocolate raisins? Now, I've put chocolate raisins in for that little bit of sweetness, a bit of energy, and just felt like it was slightly healthier than just adding chunks of chocolate in. So, Poppy, you're going to need a spoon for that and give it a good stir.
It smells good.
Yeah, I know. So if we give those a good stir, and I want 4 tablespoons in there. But a really good mix. We've got some really lovely sour cherries in there. I've counted those. I'm kidding. Right, quick as you can. 2, 3, 4.
Did you really count?
Yeah, now we're going to do
How many
4 of
is there?
these.
How many is there?
There's 1 missing. 1, 2.
How many is there altogether?
There you go. Put those back.
Okay.
Right, Pops, you want to give this a good stir, and then I will get a tray. So stir everything together. So the eggs and the sweet potato and the banana are going to act as a binder, and they're going to absorb into the oats, and give us that real slow release, but we get that lovely sweetness too from natural produce.
I want to try it.
So either get the kids in the kitchen and make it with you, or make it and don't tell them. But it's full of protein as well from the eggs, so if you are wanting to sort of protein up and really fuel it up, perfect for that. Right, are we good? Right, Tom, are you going to hold that tray so Poppy can stir it in? You ready? So what we're using is, we're using Masterclass. I'll put it there because Carlos will want it in a certain shot, will you? So we're using a square Smart Ceramic Masterclass brownie tin. It's really super non-stick, so we don't need to put any parchment on it or in it. Poppy, if you just use the back of your spoon and just press it down into all the corners, we're going to bake this for 20 to 25 minutes at 170 degrees. But what you do need to do is keep this one in the fridge because of the eggs. So when it is baked, let it cool, cut it into portions and keep it in the fridge. Are we good?
Nearly.
Nearly there.
It looks good.
So it looks good, doesn't it? Doesn't look like a healthy thing, does it? It just looks like a good thing. Yeah?
Gonna give you cranberries. I'm not.
Right, are we ready? Do you want to go and pop that in the oven, Pops? Okay, perfect. Now, that's going to bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Now, if you want the recipe, go to cookserveandenjoy.com. You will find it there. You will also find links to all the equipment that I use in my kitchen. It can be absolutely everything. There are thousands of products there, and they're all the same stuff I use in my kitchen. So if you're... Was that my phone? Better cut that out. Right.
Good.
Oh, sorry. Go back over there, darling. And then come back in. That's it. So if you want the recipe, go to cookserveandenjoy.com and it will be there along with all the links to products that I use in my kitchen. They're all available in the website. But thank you very much for joining us. And I really do hope you have a go at this recipe. It's really easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's super tasty and great for taking out on those spells or going out for family walks. But thank you very much and have a great weekend. So that was my really delicious recipe for a healthy, tasty energy bar. Now comes the indulgent bit, a chicken Kiev pie. I hope you enjoy it. So that's my chicken Kiev pie. I know, it looked amazing. And I promise you, go to the recipe page, scan the QR code below and make this chicken Kiev pie because it is my absolute favourite. I love it. Now, I hope you have enjoyed the show and I hope you have a really good weekend, and I will see you on the next episode.